Hello and welcome. I'm Magid Aziz, and this is a new lesson on Magid's Darabuka channel. Today, we're going to learn the Ayoub rhythm, which is one of the easiest and simplest Eastern rhythms, with a 2/4 time signature. But before we start explaining, it's really important to listen carefully to the rhythm first, so your ear can get used to its feel and flow. Then we'll break it down step by step. And if your main language is English, make sure to check the video description. You'll find a playlist with all the previous lessons in your language. Let's get started. The Ayoub rhythm has several versions and playing styles. What you heard at the beginning of the video was the professional version of it. But in today's lesson, we're going to learn the simplest version of the Ayoub rhythm, which is made up of dum, dum, tak. Dum, dum, tak. Now that you've seen and heard it on the drum, let's break it down simply. We start the rhythm with one dum, dum, then follow it with dum, tak. Dum, tak. So the final form sounds like this. Dum, dum, tak. Now let's practice it slowly together. Dum, dum, tak, dum, dum, tak. And that's it for today's lesson on the Ayoub rhythm. Remember, simplicity doesn't mean weakness. The simple rhythms are the foundation of professional playing. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future lessons. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, or if there's a specific rhythm you'd like to learn. I'm Magid Aziz, and this is Magid's Darabuka channel. See you in the next lesson, inshallah.